In the beginning, there was bartering. Way back when, in ancient marketplaces like this one, people would trade goods and services directly. You might exchange a cow for a bag of grain or a day's labor for new tools. But this system had its limitation. Money, a convenient medium of exchange that represented value and made trading a whole lot easier. But how did we get from there to here? Let's go back to the bartering days for a second. One of the main issues with this system was that not everyone wanted your cow. You had to find someone with the goods you wanted who also wanted what you had to offer. It could be a pretty tricky business. So people started using commodities as a medium of exchange. Commodities like cells, spices and metal became valuable because they were desirable and had inherent worth. Take cell for example. They were used as money in many early civilizations. But can you imagine trying to buy a house with a bag of cell? Not very practical. Then around 7th century BC, the first coins were minted in Lydia, now part of modern-day Turkey. These coins were made of a mixture of gold and silver, and they revolutionized the way people exchange goods. Coins were a huge step forward because they had a standardized value, making trading much simpler and more efficient. Soon civilization across the ancient worlds, from the Greeks to the Roman, started minting their own coins. Each coin represented a specific value and they were much easier to carry around. In the Middle Ages, things got a little more creative. With trade booming, people needed a way to represent larger amount of money. So they started using promissory notes, which were essentially IOUs. These notes could be exchanged for goods and cash, and they were a precursor to the paper money we know today. Medieval merchants would often use these notes to facilitate trade, and they were especially useful for long-distance transactions. But be careful, these notes were not always reliable. If the person issuing the notes didn't have the funds to back it up, it could be worthless. Fast forward to the 17th century and the world was introduced to the paper money as we know it today. The first official paper currency was issued in China, but it really took off in the Western world. Paper money was lighter and easy to carry than metal coins, and it could represent a larger denomination. The design of paper currency evolved over time, incorporating security features to prevent counterfeiting. From intricate engraving to watermarks and security threats, paper money became more sophisticated and harder to fake. But we are not done yet. In the 20th century, money took another leap forward with the introduction of plastic money. Credit and debit cards allow people to access their money electronically, making transactions even more convenient and secure. And now in the digital age, money is evolving faster than ever. We can transfer funds with just a few clicks. Mobile payment system has turned our phone into the digital wallets, and the world of cryptocurrency has opened a whole new frontier of decentralized finance. And who knows what the future holds?